IRS CP21B Notice. Explained what it means and what you must do next. If you've received an IRS CP21B Notice, you might be thinking, great, I'm getting a refund. But before you celebrate, let's break down what this notice actually means and why you need to double check the details before assuming all is well. What is a CP21B notice? The CP21B notice is sent when the IRS makes changes to your tax return, resulting in a refund. This could happen for a few reasons. You requested a correction on a previous tax filing. The IRS identified an error and adjusted your return accordingly. A tax law update or administrative review led to an automatic adjustment. Sounds good, right? Not so fast. While the IRS might be sending you money, they don't always get it right, and that's where problems can start. Why you should double check your CP21B notice. The IRS isn't always right, and if there's an error, it's your responsibility to catch it before it causes bigger problems later. Here's what can go wrong. 1. Incorrect adjustments can cause future filing issues. If the IRS mistakenly changes your return, those errors can carry over to future filings, leading to inconsistent records. 2. You might owe more. Next year, if the IRS reduces deductions or credits that you originally claimed, it could mean a higher tax bill next filing season. 3. Refund errors can lead to headaches. If the IRS overpaid you, they'll demand the money back later, potentially with penalties and interest. If they underpaid you, it's on you to prove it and fight for the difference. Ignoring a CP21B is like ignoring a liquidation warning on a leveraged trade. It's a bad idea that could cost you later. What should you do if you get a CP21B notice? Step 1. Review the notice carefully. Look at what the IRS changed and compare it to your original tax return. If everything matches up and makes sense, no action is needed. Step 2. If something looks off, take action contact the IRS immediately if you believe they made an error. Gather supporting documents and records to dispute any incorrect adjustments. Step 3. Consult a tax professional. If you're unsure about the changes or don't want to risk IRS trouble down the road, get expert help. Crypto tax filing isn't enough. Be ready for the IRS. At CryptoTaxAudit, we stand by you every step of the way, ensuring your records are IRS-Proof. Whether you're dealing with expatriation, business holdings, DeFi trades, or large Bitcoin transactions, our team ensures you're compliant, audit-ready, and protected. Don't wait for an IRS notice. The best time to secure your portfolio is before the IRS starts asking questions. You're not alone. Here are some of the most common things our clients ask when they receive a CP21B notice from the IRS. First up, what exactly is a CP21B notice from the IRS? It's a letter letting you know the IRS made changes to your tax return and you're getting a refund, usually because of corrections, an IRS review, or change in the law. Now, just because you're getting a refund doesn't mean everything is perfect. Should you assume the notice is accurate? Not necessarily. It's important to read it carefully. Sometimes the IRS makes mistakes, and those can lead to filing issues or even future refund problems if left unaddressed. So what happens if the IRS got something wrong in your CP21B notice? You'll want to contact them right away. Be ready to provide documentation, and this is where having a tax professional can really help you respond the right way and avoid unnecessary complications. And if you're wondering how CryptoTaxAudit fits in, this is what we do. We don't just file taxes. We review IRS notices, help you respond, and defend your position if it comes to that. Whether you're actively trading crypto or holding complex assets, we make sure your records are ready to stand up to IRS scrutiny.